trying to get through customs in Vancouver. Their little machine did not like me. So I'm standing in another long line. Greetings to one and all from downtown Vancouver, British Columbia. Just something different for a hotel room. We're on the 12th floor, keep that in mind. Hopefully we're not feeling suicidal this weekend. That's a 12-story drop. I don't know how safe that is. Just saying.
What?
So, if you just tuned in, that seagull is talking obvious smack to Weston, and he doesn't like it. He's not taking it, are you?
Nah, if he wasn't on that rock over water, I'm telling you.
There would be some Weston on bird violence right now. Just saying. Don't mind me. I'm just sitting here on the dock of the bay.
Not a bay, it's a fjord.
Live with an attitude of gratitude. Greetings to one and all from Vancouver. I am on what's known as a sea bus. We're taking it from a dock in Vancouver around the bay to Granville Island, which is a very popular spot for like open market foodies and stuff like that, artists, artisans and all that. Actually, I found out it was really a landfill, but I guess only an island sounds nicer than a landfill. So, let's see. All right. Capilano suspension bridge, a little more nerve-wracking than I expected, but still very cool. Just can't slow down or people behind you get mad. Whoa. And to give you all a perspective of the suspension bridge, that's where we were just at a few minutes ago. Okay, I looked all these up. One that had me quite curious, and I mentioned it to Weston, and he was not too sure about it.
It sounds gross.
Right. So if you're wondering what that is, one of the many snacks, ketchup chips. So I wanted to try them. He's hesitant, so we're going to try them for the first time right now on Facebook. Okay, you ready? Cheers.
Ready. God.
Not bad.
Mine wasn't very ketchupy. I might need another one.
Grab a couple, is what I did. It just tastes like dry French fries with ketchup. Weston?
Yeah, it's kind of gross now.
Here I am in Vancouver, British Columbia, historic Gastown. What's the famous thing called? I'm in a very rainy Vancouver, British Columbia, about to have lunch in a haunted trolley car in the old spaghetti factory in historic Gastown. Let's take a journey. So given that our flight leaves in a few hours, I really didn't have the time to make a video like I wanted to about the ghost of the old spaghetti factory here in Vancouver's Gastown District. But it's still really cool. Haven't seen anything, but I'm checking the pictures I took, and we'll go from there. Part of the story says that there happens to be a vortex back here where they think some of the ghosts emanated from, but there's 4 that are seen around here all the time. One of the conductor, one of a little short red-haired dude they call the little red man or Looky Loo, And a third one was of a little boy who has no eyes or has empty eye sockets. And the fourth was a little girl carrying a balloon, apparently looking for her mother, which is kind of sad. But they also reported there's a possible vortex back here. So if you're ever at the Old Spaghetti Factory in historic Gastown in Vancouver, British Columbia, and you need to use the restroom, walk to the back and make a right at the vortex.